Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. For today's video, I am doing a major, big as hell, Ulta freaking haul. Ulta Beauty, the possibilities are beautiful. So for today's video, I am gonna be showing you a bunch of freaking good stuff I found all on sale. So I did not spend the full price for these items. All this stuff was either half off or buy one, get one free. I don't like to spend a ton of money for stuff. I'd rather spend half the price and wait. A lot of this stuff is not new. A lot of the stuff has been on the market for so long, but I decided to wait to get that half off, you know? Come on. Without further ado, let's jump into this gigantic freaking haul. But firstly though, just take a quick moment to go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, please go ahead, give it a like, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm super excited to finally have purchased the James Charles palette with Morphe. This has been out for like a year now, but it just was on half off a few days ago, which is when I got this. I went into Ulta and I was like, give me that half off. Got this palette for $19. It usually retails for $39. Morphe has been having a bunch of sales lately, and I think I've seen it twice on sale. And this time I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna skip out on that. I mean, you guys have all pretty much seen this palette already. But yes, it took me a while to get because like I said before, I usually wait for something to go on half off unless it's something that's like I really want. They have these sales all the time. If you decide to like skip out on it, they're gonna have another sale. So this is the beautiful palette here. It is so freaking stunning. See, it's so cute. It has a little film. I feel like this palette is definitely a must-have in your collection. Gorgeous palette. I'm super excited. Like, do you see? Oh my god, it's so huge. With that palette, this was also on sale, which is the James Charles eye brush set from Morphe. Normally the price for this was $59 and I picked it up for $29. So this was half off as well. And this is half off in stores as well. So you can buy it online. You can actually run your happy ass to the store and pick it up there, which is what I did. So it comes like this. I'm sure you've probably seen this all before. So pretty. Look at that. Comes like a little tube. You can put your brushes in there. Comes with 13 brushes. I mean, most of these brushes I already have, but I always like to have extra brushes and duplicates because I don't like to wash my brushes that often. I have both of these already, the Morphe M433 and the Morphe M441. This one is the Morphe M166. This is a flat shader brush. Ooh, this reminds me of the MAC 242 brush. I don't have any of these three brushes. Morphe M10, Morphe 224, and some eyeliner brush. Like, I don't have any of these. These are just synthetic brushes. I have this one here, but the Jaclyn Hill version of it, I have that one. These are nice. What else? What you got in there, man? A lot of these brushes I actually don't own. I don't have this one. This is the, ooh, this feels nice. This is the Morphe E62. It's flat, but it's actually angled, so it could probably go really hand if you're trying to do that outer edge wing eye right there. It's very sturdy. It's not like the cheap kind. It's like a little more sturdy, so nice brush. Okay, this one I definitely don't have in my collection. I'm so excited. Keep dropping everything. I'm so excited to have this brush. I've been on the hunt for like a small little brush to like go right in the corners here, and I think this may be it. This is a Morphe M456 brush. Morphe M124, I don't have this one either. This is also a shader brush, but it's actually really nice to get right into those inner corners. This is more for detailed work. I do have this one, the M506. This one I don't have. I have a bigger version, the M406, but this one this is an even smaller version, so this is really nice to really get underneath your lower lash line. I like that one. Another flat shader brush in this collection. This is kind of cute. It's a little bit more dense. This is kind of cute. It's all right. It's cute. It's a Morphe M151. And then there's this random eyeliner brush that I think this is probably a good brush if you're into gel eyeliner pots and stuff like that. Like, this will probably be a really good brush for that. Ooh, this is tiny. This is the Morphe M2500. Let's go ahead and put you little babies back. So next, I got these other two eyeshadows. These are from e.l.f. This one is the Rose Gold Nude palette, and then the Rose Gold Sunset palette. I really love this, like the color selection of this. This looks so pretty. Let's see if we can do some swatches. A little dirty as hell. I'm the worst swatcher of life. It's very pretty. See how beautiful metallic that is? That's gorgeous. I'm done swatching for you guys because like this is embarrassing. And then I got this one, the Rose Gold, the nude one. Very pretty if you're into those mauve rosy colors. I did swatch these. Oh, that one's really buttery. Oh, look, that one is super nice. These colors are actually like performing really nicely on my fingers. There's this glittery pink one here. So pretty. I should have brought some napkins with me. So these two palettes, these were buy one, get one half off. So I bought one for $10 and I got one half off, $5. So not bad at all. Okay, that's it for eyes. Let's go ahead and move on to face. All right, I'm super excited with these items. For foundation, I did get the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Foundation. This was not on sale as this just came in the market, but I really wanted to try this foundation. I've heard so many good things. Apparently, this is like a skin-like natural finish in between dewy and matte. I don't know, I heard miracles about this foundation, so I cannot wait to try this out. I may do a review on it. This retailed for $16, so I did have to pay full price for this. Next foundation that I picked up, this is a kind of an oldie, but I've never tried this. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I know they have another one, the dewy one, but I feel like I have already a lot of dewy foundations, but this is the one that I've seen that's very popular, so I can't wait to try this out. It does not come with a pump, which I'm really sad about. I've seen people try this on camera. It looks very beautiful. The skin, it looks just very like, I don't know, beautiful. It looks like a very beautiful finish. So I really wanted to try this out and see if this is another little drugstore gem. Another product that I got for the face is this Milani Green Goddess Canavis Sativa seed oil. So this is a nice little glow oil for your face if you want to add this underneath your foundation. It's green. It smells like earthy, like something yogis would like. Let's see, maybe it's good. And then I also picked this up. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer. This concealer actually smells, oh my God, it smells like a little painty. I'm super excited to try this out. I've heard so many good things about this. I mean, I do love ColourPop. They have really nice stuff. I also picked up the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation stick, but it is darker than my skin tone because I wanted to try this out for contouring. Maybe it's a little too warm toned, but it's like creamy. It's not bad. Maybe it would look nice, give you that bronzy glow. Who knows? Maybe it's too like light. I don't know. It ends up being like $2 or something like that. For powder, I also picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. It's in the color Fair Light. Just opens up like this. I really like the packaging on this. Everything sits up very nicely on this. Very finely milled. Really love finely milled powders. So I got this along with the foundation because it was like you buy the foundation and you get this for half off. So that was really nice. What else did I get here that was cheap? So I also picked up this NYX High Glass Finishing Powder. I was on the hunt for a setting powder that provided a nice little subtle glow to the skin. It looks just like, honestly, like a subtle highlight. Let's try this out. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it. It looks just like that. Ooh, that looks a little intense. As you can see, it just has like a little subtle sheen. It looks very reflective. I can't wait to see what happens to my face. I also picked up this Wet n Wild blush in the color Mellow Wine. This is like that beautiful tan wine colored blush. The consistency is nice and buttery. It's not too powdery. This could probably give like beautiful warm touch to the cheeks, like that healthy skin little flush, like you're naturally flushed. It's not a toilet flush, like a flush. I can't talk. Another blush I picked up is this Revolution blush in the color Rose Kiss. So I got this one and it's so pretty. Let's try this out. It's nice. It does not have any sheen to it. Like this is like a matte powder blush. For eyes, I picked up this Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara. This was like $2. I love Wet n Wild as always, so I'm super excited to try that out. And I also picked up this Wet n Wild Get the Skinny Laser Precision Eyeliner. It's a micro thin tip, so I'm super excited to try that on my outer corners. And then I got this e.l.f. mascara. This is the Volume Plumping Mascara. I have the other one, the lengthening one. The other one has more of a shorter little stick, but this one's longer, and this is what I'm actually wearing on my eyes today. It's all right, honestly, it's okay. It's not no lash paradise. It's fine. It was $4. If you're in the hunt for just something cheap and inexpensive, just grab this one. Well, actually, I have one more product for eyes. This is the Milani Ludicrous. The Milani Ludicrous eye topper. It's good to add on top as a topper just to add a little bit more bang to the eyes. My last products are all lip stuff. I got this e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. I did try this. I'm not gonna lie. I felt the tingliness of this. I was a little uncomfortable too. So I don't know, it looked so nice. So the color is very pretty. Typically you'll feel tingliness in the plumping glosses, but I felt a little burning sensation on this. I'm gonna try it one more time to see, but We'll figure it out. For lipstick, there was buy one, get one half off. So these two I got. These are the Rimmel London lipsticks. This one is in the color Thirsty Bay. These are very buttery, very creamy. I feel like maybe they won't last all day, but it's buy one, get one free. So who cares? So this looks like this. It's like a berry color. It's very, very, very creamy. It definitely moisturizes the lips. And then I got this one in the shade Hella Pink. It's actually not pink. It's more like the mauvey rosy colors. Ooh, the same consistency, very, very creamy. It's like that pinky nude, a bright peachy pinky nude. It's actually really, really pretty. Last lipstick and item that I got is this one from Milani in the color Teddy Bear. I really love this packaging. Look how beautiful and gold, and it's just like high end. It's like that beautiful dark brownie pinky nude. I've been loving these colors lately. This will go so beautiful with a nice smoky eye. That is it for my haul, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, don't forget, give the video a like, subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.